Namaskar. Most people remove their makeup within 30 seconds, but that's the scary part. Your skin does not age because of makeup, it ages because of what is left behind. When makeup, sunscreen, and pollution sit on your skin overnight, it quietly damages your skin barrier, clogs pores, triggers inflammation, and blocks your skin's natural repair cycle. Dermatology research shows that nearly 60 to 70% of premature skin aging and sensitivity begins with how we cleanse our skin. Our skin's natural protective barrier works best at a slightly acidic pH of around 5.5, but many commercial makeup removers or wipes and even alcohol-based cleansers push the skin's pH much higher. Over time, this weakens the skin barrier, which leads to dryness, redness, irritation, and sensitivity. But let me tell you, protecting your skin does not require any expensive products or complicated routines. In fact, the solution is something very simple. A gentle oil-based makeup remover made at home, followed by a mild wash. This method removes makeup effectively without disturbing your skin barrier. So today, let me show you how to make and use this simple homemade makeup remover using ingredients that are kind to your skin. Oil removes oil. So an oil-based remover easily breaks down the foundation, sunscreen, and lipstick. Once the makeup has melted, a gentle water-based face wash can take off leftover oil. This two-step method, known as oil cleansing and double cleansing, is best for keeping your skin barrier strong. Now let me tell you the recipe. Mix 20 ml of sunflower oil or olive oil, 10 ml coconut oil or jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is close to skin sebum, 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil. And so to bake it, first warm a few drops in your palm. Gently massage over closed eyes and whole face for 30 to 60 seconds. Slow circles loosen the makeup. Dampen a soft cloth with warm water and wipe. Repeat it until the cloth comes away clean. Follow with a gentle pH balanced water-based face wash. This works because oil dissolves waterproof and pigment-based makeup without taking away your skin's natural lipids. Just one thing to remember is that coconut oil can be comedogenic or likely to clog skin pores. So it is not good for acne-prone skin. So if your skin is prone to such breakouts, switch to jojoba or sunflower oil. Test on a small patch of your skin first. Now let us look at something which is even gentler for the eyes, because the eyelid skin is thinner and more delicate. Next, I will tell you how to make soothing aloe vera and oil eye makeup remover. This is specially good for sensitive eyes. Take 10 ml castor oil, which is excellent at dissolving heavy mascara. Dilute it with 20 ml of aloe vera gel and 5 ml olive oil. Apply with a cotton pad to eyes. Hold for a few seconds, wipe gently and rinse. This simple recipe avoids harsh chemicals often used in eye area cleanser and helps reduce irritation. This is such a simple change. Using a homemade oil remover and a soft cloth followed by a gentle wash. This will protect your delicate skin and keep your eyes healthier. It is natural, it takes 2 minutes longer and it respects your skin. And when you choose reusable cloth instead of disposable wipes, you also avoid microfibers that pollute our water body. So Keep your routines gentle and be kind to your skin and to the earth by using less chemicals and microfibers. Namaskar.